O, nasaan tayo ngayon, Nay?
Nasa, ano,
Washington, D.C. in the White House of Barack Obama.
Oh, what's the date today?
July 27.
27. Okay.
Overlook of the White House.
this is where Obama is.
Uh-huh. Is he there?
Yes.
Sleeping.
No. Yeah,
Wait.
he's working.
He's making money.
No, he's working.
Can you say, Be, about the place?
It's very hot outside. I can't sweat. Really.
Oh, yeah. There's the police. Ah. Nay, anong masasabi mo, Nay, sa Washington?
Ay, napakaganda. Sa wakas, narating nyo na rin ito.
Nandiyan lang kayo, ibabaklan ko yung ano, yan, yan. Oh, yan ang ano. Be, say hello.
Hello.
Nakarating na kami.
Hello.
Ano sa Obama?
That's the office of ano, Barack. Sabi mo ano, hello Auntie Cathy. Andi ano, yung mga ano mo na eh, mahal mo sa kapatid mo.
Nandito na ako sa Washington.
Okay, say bye-bye na eh.